Hey! Welcome to How's It channel. In today's video, we will show you how to delete an Instagram account. Let's go! This way will help you to temporarily delete an account with an option of restore later. Open the web browser you use. Go to Instagram web page. Click on the account icon in the right top corner of your screen. Click on Edit Profile. Scroll down and click on Temporarily Disable My Account. Select the reason why you want to disable your account. Enter your password. Click on the blue button Temporarily Disable Account. If you want to permanently delete your account without a restore option, go to Instagram Help Center. You can find the link in the description box down below. Choose Managing Your Account from the left side. Click on Delete Your Account on the left side menu. Click on How do I delete my account option. Click on blue link, the Delete Your Account page. Choose the reason why you want to delete your account. Enter your password. Click on the red button Permanently Delete My Account. Confirm your choice in the pop-up window. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.